All right, the next drink we're going to make is what we're calling an orange Negroni. So it's basically a take on a Negroni, but we're using triple sec, and we're really amping up the amount of triple sec in the cocktail, so you're gonna really get those nice bright orange notes. So this is a stir drink, so you're gonna wanna grab a mixing glass or a pint glass, and we're gonna start by measuring 2 ounces, which should be the entire one of these small bottles. Put that right into your glass, and then we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of triple sec. I'm gonna fill this about halfway with ice. This is going in a rocks glass. You can put 1 big ice cube in here. If you're gonna take your time drinking it, you can put regular ice in there, or if you're a fan of drinking cocktails up and not on the rocks, you're welcome to put it into a coupe glass as well. All right, you're gonna wanna stir this. If you're not sure how long to stir for, the general rule is we say to stir about 50 times, which sounds like a lot, but I'm probably almost there. And then just give it a taste and see if it tastes to your liking. The reason we're stirring is to incorporate water into the drink, but we don't shake because we want to keep that nice smooth velvety texture. So you'll see there's like frost that builds up on the outside of the glass, and that's telling me this drink is very cold and it is ready. Strain that right into my glass. And we're going to garnish this with an orange peel. And I wanted to show you a few ways that you can do the standard orange peel garnish, but make it look a little fancier. So first way to do it is to get a peel all the way from the top of the orange to the bottom. So a nice long peel, as even as you can get it, just like that. And then I'm going to cut it into a perfect rectangle so it doesn't have all of these jagged edges. So it's a lot prettier. I'm going to express this over the drink to get the oils in there, rub it around, and give it a little twist. And when you plop it in, it looks like that. Another way you can do this is to take an orange, and instead of peeling from top to bottom, I'm going to peel all the way around. So you're trying to get as thick of an area as possible, and just keep going until you hit where you started. This can be kind of challenging if you're still getting used to using a Y peeler, but when you do get the hang of it, this is a fun trick you can do. And then I have this nice long peel. I'm going to cut a shape into it that looks like this. I don't know how to describe this shape, maybe like a mustache of some sort. But when I twist this, so same as the first technique, just twist it and give it a nice pull so that it keeps its shape. And lay that right on the top, and it looks super fancy. Or you can just stick it in. So those are a few ways that you can make your orange peel garnishes look a little more impressive. Cheers.